You know that smell? The one that hits you and boom, suddenly you're back home. That's Arroz con Leche with La Fe. First, make sure you have all the ingredients at home to prepare this beautiful and creamy dessert. Take a screenshot if necessary. Now, let's start. 1 cup of La Fe Jasmine Rice, 2 cups of water, a pinch of salt, and a lot of memories. Let it cook until soft. That's your base for magic. Now comes the good part. Add La Fe Evaporated Milk, La Fe Condensed Milk, and a cinnamon stick. Mix slowly. Smell that? That's the holidays arriving at home. Don't rush it, let it simmer. Let it thicken and stir for 20 minutes. This isn't just cooking, it's reconnecting with your memories and all the flavors around them. When it's perfect, add a splash of vanilla and a hint of citrus. That's Abuela's secret. You serve it warm, and someone smiles before even tasting it. Because they already know, it's home. This holiday season, bring that smell back. This holiday season, La Fe tastes like home.